I'm Ben Winslow on Utah's Capitol Hill. A new state audit is raising concerns about information being put out by the Office of Recovery Services. Now, that's the agency that handles child support payments. It's information that's leaving some people feeling pretty frustrated.
It almost gives you false hope because there's this organization that you are told is there to help you. And then you reach out to them for help and support, and they tell you there's nothing they can do.
Rochelle Pulsifer says she's had some frustrations with Utah's Office of Recovery Services. She showed up to Utah's Capitol Hill to share her frustrations with lawmakers in getting child support collected.
I don't know if it's that they're not willing or if they have an internal procedure that gets in the way, but somehow there are thousands and thousands of dollars that I need to help care for my kids that I rely on ORS to help me collect, and they're not doing it.
We can share actions taken on an account. We have to be very careful how we share that.
On Tuesday, an audit was presented to the Social Services Appropriations Subcommittee, finding problems with the agency's technology.
And that's the scary part. It's lacking some key features that we would expect to see in a functional database in the year 2025.
The audit claims the agency needs to modernize its tech, including an outdated design that's led to inaccurate and unreliable data. And it questions what ORS has done with the millions of dollars it's already gotten.
But that was our main concern, is based on the projection of what we're seeing, there's not going to be a change. There needs to be a real reevaluation of the direction that they're going and the additional features that need to be built into this system so that it is answerable to the public who funds it with taxpayer money and to the individual members of our society who are using this system.
This is obviously something that we're all concerned about.
Lawmakers also raised questions about how the agency communicates with people over the phone instead of via email for privacy reasons.
People should really be able to call our office and get answers to their questions, and it's concerning that members of the public are not having that experience.
The head of Utah's Department of Health and Human Services says she wants a no wrong door philosophy to help people. She'll also look at the technology upgrades.
We think that there's an opportunity to look at that system and be able to ensure that the data that we need from that system is available.
Now, lawmakers are not done with this issue yet. In fact, the chairs of the Social Services Appropriations Subcommittee announced plans for a working group to address these issues. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.